Create a new low voltage or medium voltage project BT, MT. Insert the project's general data or copy them with a drag-and-drop action from another file. You can choose the installation area from the Locations archive, and obtain irradiation data from the Meteornorm database. Now access the BIM editor. Use BIM objects to easily design the system. Import the DXF, DWG file and use it as a guideline to define your system. Then use the inclined surface object and determine the photovoltaic installation area. In the inclined surface editor, identify the actual installation area. Then tilt the surface with the help of two guide points. Position the points on the upper and lower vertex. You can tilt the surface manually or by adjusting the tilt percentage. Use the vertical connection function to close the perimeter. And position all vertices, connecting them to the surface. The generic volume object enables you to determine the chimney obstacle. You can then assign any type of material to BIM objects. The photovoltaic field object helps you to correctly position the modules. While in the photovoltaic field editor, you can edit or confirm the actual installation area. Select the PV field and design the system with the help of the wizard. Finally, obtain the module's layout and the automatic recognition of the obstacle.